Combining your super. Have you ever thought about what happens when you combine your super accounts?
They say that it could simplify things and save you money, but I don't know if a few dollars is worth it.
Well, yeah, it can simplify things. Having multiple accounts can lead to unnecessary fees.
Sure, but it's just a few bucks, isn't it?
Yes, but with each account, people are paying admin fees and different insurance premiums. I had 3 accounts, but I've rolled them together now.
Really? How much did you save by rolling them into one account?
Well, everyone's case is different. But for me, it's about $1,700 a year in premiums and fees by consolidating into my ElectricSuper account.
Wow, that's significant. And I guess over a few years, it adds up.
Yeah, I hope that by retirement, it's about an extra $41,000 for me. And that's even after I increased my insurance with ElectricSuper to make sure I had enough cover.
So, your retirement balance would have been even higher without the insurance increase?
Sure, but it was worth the peace of mind for me. I was able to increase my insurance and then close my other accounts once the new insurance was in place. You might want to check your super statements to see what premiums and fees you're paying. You've got even longer to go to retirement than me, so it might make more of a difference for you.
Yeah, it sounds like it might be worthwhile. Small amounts can really add up over time. I'm going to look into it tonight. Thanks for the tip.